In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on Wizz Air using their official website. Open your browser and go to wizzair.com. On the home page, you will see two main options, return or one way. Choose the option that fits your travel needs. For this example, I will select one way. In the from field, select your departure city, for example, Vienna. In the to field, select your destination city, for example, London. Pick the date you want to fly. Available dates will be highlighted on the calendar. Some dates may be unavailable based on the route and season. Now choose the number of travelers. For this example, I will select one adult. Click on search and Wizz Air will display available flights along with their prices. Browse their list of flights and select the one that best fits your schedule and budget. Choose the baggage and service package you prefer. For example, selecting the option with one bag free. Scroll down and click continue. Enter your passenger and payment details. Once your payment is complete, your ticket confirmation will be sent directly to your email address. That's it. You have successfully booked a flight on Wizz Air. It's a fast and straightforward process. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.